We're introducing a new way to request and track IT support, the Convergence Networks Client Portal. First, log into the portal using your Microsoft 365 credentials. This is your IT support homepage. Here you can get instant support, submit new tickets, and review past requests. You can start by using the AI assistant. Describe your problem in the text box and the assistant will respond and guide you step by step. If your issue isn't fixed right away, the assistant can submit a ticket on your behalf. Prefer to do it yourself? Click the Submit New Ticket button on the right side of the page. Want to review past tickets? Go to Ticket History and select a previous ticket. Here, you'll see options to track status, add updates, upload images, or leave a note. Once your issue is fixed, you can resolve the ticket directly. To return to the main dashboard, click the Convergence logo in the top left corner, and done. With the Convergence Client Portal, getting help is faster and easier than ever. Log in today at app.convergencetworks.com and take control of your IT support.